Hello guys, welcome to Silicon Degree. Today we're gonna learn what is data science, who are the data scientists, types of data, and last but not the least, what is the data science process. Now let's start with what is data science. Data science is basically a field in which we use the computer fundamentals, statistics with machine learning and deep learning models to visualize and the through human computer interaction we collect, clean it, integrate it, analyze it, visualize it, and interact with the data to create the data products for your industries, for your web applications, for the clients, and for decision making also. The main goal of data science is to generate a data driven decision making for solving complex business problem and make a decision more informed and forced toward the innovation for various range of industries and domain. It basically involves your collecting, cleaning and pre-processing of data, exploring and analyzing data using these statistical methods and machine and deep learning algorithms to communicate findings effectively with the stakeholders. Stakeholders can be your CEOs, your upper level management, it would be your clients, and it would be your customers. So let's understand who are these data scientists. So in the field of data science, we have various jobs like the data engineer, data analyst. So at the top of the pyramid, we have data scientists. Data scientists are the supreme in this profession. They know about various scientific methods. They have understanding of the deep learning and machine learning algorithms. They have the ability to extract knowledge and gain the insights about the data from the various structured and unstructured, semi-structured data. Their mathematical skills and their statistical knowledge is so high, and they have deep understanding of the computer science fundamental and the domain in which they are working in. For example, a data scientist can work in the medical field or in the e-commerce field. They have like deeper knowledge of that field. So basically, let's see what are the different types of data. In the computer science field or in the data science, we categorize data majorly into the three categories, which is structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. So first we gonna see the structured data. The structured data is your well organized, easy to search data. They often store in the tabular format. This kind of data is well organized and into your rows and column. And the best example would be your database and spreadsheets. For database, it would be your MySQL or Postgres. And for spreadsheet, it would be your Excel or CSV file. It works on your predefined models and predefined schemas. And it is in nature, it's quite rigid. You can't just put any familiar data type into it. Let's go to your unstructured data. Your unstructured data, it's quite opposite to your structured data. It is not well organized. It does not have any predefined schemas or models. It is quite challenging because it is not in the fixed format or predefined format. So it is challenging to store, manage it, or analyze it. The best example would be your text, your images, your videos, your emails, social media posts, your PDF documents. For analyzing this kind of data, we required advanced techniques like your natural language processing, neural networks, and different machine learning and deep learning. So now the last type of data, which is your semi-structured data. So semi-structured data, it is somewhere lies in the middle of structured and unstructured, as the name suggests, and it does not have a rigid schema, predefined schema, but it includes some kind of tags and markings to separate your data elements from others, and it enforces the hierarchical structure in it. This kind of data type is like this kind of type of data, it's not easy to like use, but it provides you like huge flexibility. It has the huge flexibility. It can handle wide variety of information in it. By nature, it is not in the fixed format, but it has some organized property. It uses the tags and markings to differentiate between the other data elements, and the best example would be your XML files, your JSON documents, your NoSQL database. And kind of data is basically generated from your web services, APIs, document storage systems,